Hey there, fellow machining enthusiasts. Welcome to Motor City Spindle Repair, where precision meets passion in the world of OKK spindle repairs. Buckle up for a ride into the heart of our operation. Meet our fantastic spindle room team, the backbone of our success. Each dedicated individual, 4 of them who have over 30 years of hands-on experience, ensuring your OKK spindle is in the best hands possible. But what sets us apart? Our meticulous failure analysis reports. We leave no stone unturned, dissecting every detail to accurately diagnose your spindle's issues. It's like a medical checkup for your machining buddy. And now, introducing our in-house machine shop, where magic happens. We specialize in spindle taper grinding and air gauging, ensuring your spindle gets the royal treatment it deserves. Precision is our middle name. Whether it's a slight hiccup or a major overhaul, we've got it covered. Say goodbye to spindle headaches and hello to extended, worry-free spindle life. But wait, there's more. Our testing department, the final frontier before your spindle heads back to you. Rigorous tests ensure that every spindle repair meets our high standards. Your satisfaction is our ultimate goal. And speaking of variety, we dance with all the OKK spindle models. From classics to the latest models, we've got the expertise to tackle them all. Your spindle's model is like a dance partner, and we've got the moves. So there you have it, folks. Motor City Spindle Repair, where experience, precision, and a dash of fun collide. Join us on the journey to spindle excellence, because when it comes to OKK spindles, we're the masters of the repair dance. Motor City Spindle Repair, spinning your troubles away, one repair at a time.